This is the final look at the Kyoto KU 107, I think it is, Deluxe. It shows you the condition it is. It's had some cleaning up. If we go to the side, see how that is. Now what I've done is to use some proprietary paste to try and minimise the rust, which you can see at this side. I've not really done anything to the top. That's I haven't really got time to do it, but and I think that's a little bit better as well. An improvement. If you look at the previous video, you can see how bad it was, and but there you are. That's how it is. Now, what is really really good is if I open that. I mean, it's got mucky down there again, but as you can see, I've cleaned all the mould that was on the plastic. I've also cleaned almost all mould on the rubber as well. I've not done the bottom, it wasn't too bad to start with. This was a bit resistant. Perhaps if I gave more effort on it, that would have cleaned up. But this really was bad. If you look along here, it was bad, but it's cleaned up. You can clean these up really well if you've got the right sort of paste to really remove the mould, because the mould really grips the rubber, and it's almost impossible to get off in any other way. So that's my advice to you. Get some of this paste, and I would show it to you, but I've taken it indoors. It's called pink paste, but you might not be able to get that where you are. So, final look at the